In situations where you need to create a new record because CloudExtend was not able to fetch any existing records from NetSuite, you can utilize the plus sign on the available record section or the plus sign located at the header level. These are the supported record types. And if I want to create a new record using the available record section create feature, I would be clicking this plus sign and it would suggest for records that do not currently have a matching email address. If Ashton is not existing as a contact, I can click the add button in here and CloudExtend will automatically populate some fields. You can also copy and paste details from the email and configure the field settings to match the NetSuite form layout. Once the record is created, it will be displayed in the CloudExtend panel. To modify an existing record, simply hover on the name and click the pencil icon. Make the necessary changes and save the record.